What's up guys, I'm in Sequoia shooting the fall winter collection for Iron and Resin. They brought me out to come cook. So I brought some tri-tip, we got some grilled onions, we got some hatch chilies and potatoes we're gonna throw in the fire, and then we got some cilantro we're gonna make a chimichurri with. Let's do it. First thing I like to do is I like to grab my tri-tip, I like to remove this silver skin. So we'll just kind of start there. Is this a bad time to say I'm super allergic to bees? Once I get all the silver skin, we're gonna season. I like to go fresh black pepper, flaky salt, and a touch of coriander. I just love that Latin flavors that the coriander brings. If you don't have a molcajete, 2 big pans works well. So I like to just throw them in the pan. I might as well just throw the black pepper in there too. And we're just gonna grab our big pan and we're just gonna kind of crunch that around. We're almost there. Maybe like 3 more hours. I'll pack the molcajete next time. Season that. Cool. Now that our meat is seasoned, we're gonna let this rest and we're gonna start working on our chimichurri. Start with some cilantro. Just gonna bunch it up, get nice and cool. Don't cut your fingers. I think I might need to bend down, dude. These tables are so small. I'm like, I feel like I'm breaking my back.
Dude, let's get you a chair. That'd be kind of funny.
Oh, I got it. Just, I'll grab it. Oh yeah. The back is no longer hurting. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon zest. And all you're trying to hit, right? Salt, fat, acid, heat, and everything. So the salt, the fat, the olive oil, the acid, the lime, the heat, the chili flakes, you know? Try to hit all those. Okay, so check it out. I gotta get my pan hot for my potatoes and my hatch chilies. So we're gonna get carbon steel pan and the fire. We're just gonna cut these potatoes all nasty like, whatever. It's just a potato. All right, we're gonna do this. Do some salt. Do some delicious, again, olive oil. Get that little toss. Oh. She's good. I'm gonna put these down. We'll come back for our chilies. We'll come back for our onions. We'll throw them in a pan. The potatoes are gonna take longer anyway. Let's go. Oh, my towel. Pause. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Hot pan. This pan is smoking hot. We're gonna move them. We're gonna get our potatoes. Just gonna let those. Oh yeah. Sing to me. A little more salt. Grilled onions. Come on now. So now we're gonna put the steaks on, but it's gonna drip onto the potatoes. Oh, come on, guy. Oh, that's a grill. Steak is temping. We're just gonna pull it all and just get ready to feed the boys. Do like feast. I didn't even bring plates, so we're just gonna have to like go. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go, guys.
Wow, dude. You
Come
can
on.
taste the peppers on there.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Mason.
That's it.
Noah.
That's it.
First one or second one?
Oh my God.
Sit. Good girl. Oh. Oh, yeah, I know you love that, dude.
I came home one night, I was tired as a man could be, but I saw a Cadillac in my garage where my Chevy's supposed to be. I said, wake up, pretty baby, you better explain this to me. She said it was only
Good morning. It's day 2 of camp. The boys just got back from riding and do a little fly fishing. So I wanted to get breakfast ready. I got some chilaquiles. I got my grandma's salsa macha. We're gonna do that with some eggs and tortilla chips. Crema, queso cotija over the fire. Just can't go wrong. It's gonna be a good breakfast. We're cooking for 6 people, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do 12 eggs, 2 per person. I didn't bring a fork, so I have a spoon. But watch me do some magic. Jeffrey, please.
Oh, I like that.
What the? Just a little side eye. At this, let's chop up the tri-tip from last night. Rough chop, kind of thick pieces. Sonny got into the eggs. Sorry guys. So my pans are hot, you can tell they're smoking. We're gonna put a little bit of butter and we just gotta move fast. Chilaquiles is not meant to take you forever. It's meant to just be like boom, 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 step, step, step. That looks good. And then we're immediately gonna go in with our salsa macha. Depending on how spicy you made it, be careful. I'm gonna go about that much. Get yourself a spatula and immediately start mixing. When it's still running, that's when you throw your chips in. And now we're just gonna toss that up. Toss this all together. And then all you're gonna do, crema, queso cotija, and some raw onions. Just like that. And that is how you make chilaquiles. So good. Oh my gosh! I forgot the tri-tip. I'll give Jeffrey the honorary first bite. I'll set him up with one. Here you go, Pops. Just throw that down the hatch, dude.
Come on now.
Come on, bro.
Top notch.
Thanks for watching, following along as we cook some things for the Iron and Resin guys. I hope this inspired you to just get outside, go camping, spend some time with your friends, make some chilaquiles, and have a good time. And if you want to hang out with us, you know where we're at.
Of our home, just a warm hand to hold, and a story being told. These little
Camera's gotta eat too.
Oh yeah, dude.
Come on, Mason.
just the sound
What the heck?
in the distance, the whistle of a train beyond the ring, just the dawn of my own, and a good old fiddle song. These little things mean country to me.
Cool. Yeah, I like that.
Cut.